Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Simple IRA payroll setup with Gusto. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gusto account. Navigate to the People tab on the left sidebar. Select the employee for whom you want to set up the Simple IRA. Scroll down to the Pay section of the employee's profile. Click on Edit next to the Retirement options. In the Retirement options, look for Simple IRA and toggle it to On. Enter the details for the Simple IRA plan, including the provider's name and plan details. Specify the contribution amounts, either as a percentage or a fixed dollar amount. Make sure to review the contribution matching options if applicable. Click Save to update the employee's retirement settings. Repeat these steps for each employee who will participate in the Simple IRA plan. Ensure that the information is accurate across all employee profiles. After setting up contributions, navigate to the Payroll tab. Schedule the payroll frequency as per your business needs. Run your payroll as usual, ensuring that the Simple IRA contributions are included. Verify contributions are being deducted correctly on the payroll summary. If needed, communicate with your Simple IRA provider to facilitate fund transfers. Maintain records of employee contributions for compliance purposes. Review the setup periodically to ensure it aligns with any changes in employee participation or plan details. You have now successfully set up Simple IRA payroll with Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.